Hey guys, I actually start my first day at my new job tomorrow. So right now I'm about to head to the store to get some stuff. So um just to make sure I can have stuff for lunch and everything. But like right now it's like raining right now, and I was going to get a ride, but they were like taking so long. So I might see like my mother, my brothers, and my cousin ride past me because they were just taking too long, and I just said I'd just rather walk up there even though it's raining out here. Got my umbrella. They were just taking too long, so I might see them ride past me. But I just didn't feel like waiting because he's supposed to left at 3 o'clock, and it's 3:30 now, and I'm like, come on, I'm trying to enjoy the rest of my Sunday. I just wanted to go to the store, get some stuff, and come back. So I probably end up going to Walmart, probably end up going to the dollar store. I don't know. I am kind of hungry. Might stop somewhere, get something to eat. I don't know just yet. Hopefully you guys are having a good Sunday. Like I said, it's raining out here. And I'm just impatient. I didn't feel like waiting, so I just decided to, leave or whatever. And get a head start. They might pull over for me. I don't know. Might see them ride past. But I was just ready to go. I really didn't even feel like leaving out the house, to be honest. I just wanted to stay in. I didn't even feel like getting out of bed. When I woke up, it was just one of those days where you just want to stay in bed the whole day. That's how I was feeling. But I still am going to do Bean Boozled. I don't know when yet, but supposed to have done it like 2 weeks ago. I just, stuff happens, But I'll check in with you guys once I get further closer to Walmart. Also, hopefully you guys can hear me. I know it's raining out here, but I was thinking about doing a video about my shoe collection, just so you guys can see what kind of shoes that I'm into and the shoes that I wear. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know down in the comments below. Well, I don't think it's windy out here. I think it's just the rain. So hopefully the audio isn't too bad. I see them coming. They actually they're not in a Mercedes today. They actually took the other car. So we'll see them right past me. There they go right there in that rear car. They waving at me. Y'all the vlog too. I thought they was gonna take the Mercedes. Because my mother has she has a gray Mercedes. You guys have probably seen it in the vlog. But no, they took the Lincoln today. And they just rolled right past me. Which I said what was going to happen. But it wouldn't have been enough space for me anyway, because it was like 6 of us. So I don't know how we all was going to squeeze in the car. But Anyways, they gonna beat me up. They gonna beat me to Walmart, but walking is better. You know, walking is good for your heart. It's good exercise, so I would rather walk than drive any day. Plus, I want to keep my legs strong, so I feel like I made the right choice by walking. To me, it's just a healthier option than getting a ride, but it is what it is.
Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me when love me when love me when love me when just love me.
Trying to get across the street. I'm basically at Walmart. About to cut through the McDonald's parking lot. It's still raining. I hate when it rains like this, man. I hate rainy days. I'm like super hungry. I haven't ate anything all day. I mean, that's normally how it is. Normally, I really don't eat breakfast or lunch. Some days I just only eat dinner, to be honest. I mean, if I wake up early enough, I might eat breakfast, but I really don't eat like that, to be honest. I really don't. I guess they went to Walmart. I'm gonna go to the dollar store first. Then I'll swing past Walmart. It's a big shopping center over here. We got a T-Mobile store, Weight Watchers. We got an all-you-can-eat buffet. We got a tan place, Postal Express. Got a nail salon, GameStop, and a dollar store. So it's a lot over here. Got a Hallmark store, got a GNC. It's a lot of stuff over here. My breathing was hard. Hopefully y'all guys don't hear that in the background. But I just hate that it's raining today. I really do. I really hate that it's raining. But it is what it is. I'm really, like, seriously, I'm starving right now. Oh, I'll probably stop and get something to eat. I have no idea where they're at, but I see the car parked in front of Walmart, so I'm going to assume they're in Walmart.
Shawty, I don't mind if you dance on a pole. That'll make you a hoe. Shawty, I don't mind when you work until 3. If you're leaving with me, gon' make that money, money, money. Your money, money, money. 'Cause I know how it
Look at the people that left me. Look at these people that could have got struck by lightning. I'm just gonna sit out here and wait.